retired Zimbabwean military generals and former senior civil servants have accused ED of using Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 to serve narrow political interest-claiming meetings with him failed to address their concerns. The group, represented by retired Air Marshal Henry Muchena, alleged that the parliamentary consultation process was manipulated and that the bill violates the constitution. Zarabina mashukobdani kwa pangwa ine anoyapangwa na achinzi. Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, opposition and the court action that was subscribed like on the bill icon. Timna mnamwendra mirum chinzi. The officials claimed that the $31 million fund, including vehicle allocations and cash payments, is being used to secure parliamentary support for the controversial amendments demanding a national referendum. The group pledged to continue opposing the bill through legal and civic means while urging the judiciary to uphold the constitution. The stage is set for the final confrontation as the oligarch cabal in ZANU-PF goes for the final push in parliament. In March 2026, we addressed the nation on the grave constitutional implications of Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 and it took a step further. And on the 18th of March 2026, we formally submitted our petition to Parliament during the so-called CAP 3 consultative process in response to public call to do so by Parliament itself, which was widely publicized. We state without equivocation that the said process was choreographed, imposed upon the people, and its outcomes do not in any manner reflect the genuine will of the people of Zimbabwe. It has since come to light that the people were compelled to append their signatures to thousands of fraudulent letters of support for CAP 3, while selective media coverage systematically excluded the overwhelming majority of opposing voices. We reaffirm then, as we do now, one of the founding principles of the liberation struggle is that power vests in the people. We called upon Parliament to subject CAP 3 to a national referendum, as it is constituted by the representatives of the people themselves. To this day, that call remains unanswered. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ine tuona wana General Muchena wapidira maji panoema constitutional amendments. Ina comment section medu za vunguro enyi modu kulipa mzero pe chitko ichi. Zon subscribe wa like chita on the bell icon.